morning, guys. I am up early, about to make a sweet potato cheesecake. Got my cream cheese, heavy whipping cream. I got my graham crackers for the crust. And yeah, let's make this butter toast for this morning. I'm about to make me some tea. It is fall, y'all. It is fall. Cooking. Yeah.
And how much?
Yeah. Okay. So I'm going 2 packs of cream cheese.
I hope and I wish that you're doing okay. I want to go back to the old days. Because I miss
It's nice and soft. Wait, sorry. Ooh, that crust is good too, y'all. Just for a little while. Honey. It is fall time. Okay. Alright, y'all. I'll be back in a second and show you how it looks. Alright, y'all. The crust is done. Sweet potatoes are almost place it in there until I wash the bowl out again because I want to mix it. So yeah, let's take this off. And we pour our cream cheese mixture. Oh my god, this is so good. So cream cheese going in first. Once I make the sweet potato up, I want it swirled. I don't want it like total sweet potato. I want it swirled in there so you can see it. And yeah. So I got my sweet potato in here, some nutmeg, a little cinnamon, some flavor, and milk. And we are going to start it up and get that nicely mixed, and then I'm gonna put a little in my cheesecake, and the rest I'm going to put in a bowl and put in the fridge for a later recipe. I'm about to pour my sweet potato mixture in with the cheesecake, and I don't think I'm going to put a lot in there, just a little for the color, and then swirl it. I just want to swirl it in with the cheesecake. I gotta put some more just so you can see it. And the rest I'm gonna put in a bowl. But I want you to see it all the way through. Okay. I'm almost done with the chicken, corn, and steel chicken. And in the oven, the cornbread and the cheesecake is almost done. So I'm about to now make my slurry. Child, I don't know, that's what my mama called me. Let me stop. Lay down. And it's not done all the way through, so just to let you guys know. I just browned it, made a crust, and this one over here. Flour in here. See the flour. A little bit more. It's really just gravy. Really don't need to add no seasonings because seasonings in the flour. Down a little on the stick. Yes. It's in the oven, y'all. Bring it over here. So you guys see. And then we just gonna pour it on top. Ooh, looky. All that. These cook my cheesecake is. That's done. I'm about to take that home. Sweet potato cheesecake, guys. Come over here. Look at it. Look at it, guys. That sweet potato all up in there with that my graham cracker crust I made. Listen. Ooh, and if y'all could smell it, if you could smell this sweet potato. I was gonna cook me. I've been wanting the sweet potato pie. I was like, I might as well do me a little series this fall, you know. It's definitely fall weather. Just come over here right quick. And put this corn in there. The potatoes are done. I'm waiting on that. On the, what's the name? Corn is done. I can wash my pan out and leave this in the, leave this in. This bowl so I can put it in the fridge. I always like to, especially if everybody's not eating together. Sometimes we might eat in here together. But yeah. A little more up on top. And a little more in here. Alright, and we are going to close these up. They are done. One of these. And then I'm going to put a little butter on top. I just want to butter on them. Yes. Then it's going to be awesome. Awesome. Right? I'm going to be able to take them out yet. No, not yet. So I'm just going to drizzle some. I saw somebody do this on TikTok, and I definitely, my baby was like, Mama, put some honey on the muffins. So, yeah. Flavored cornbread muffins. You know they usually do biscuits, but let's do the sides first, and then we'll do. A lot of corn. And some garlic, chive, mashed potatoes. We got one for the chicken. And let's give him gravy. What you want from me? So you want my love, so you like my company. With one cornbread. I don't know, he might want two, but I'm gonna just put one. Mashed potatoes, garlic, chive, mashed potatoes, honey butter, cornbread, and smothered chicken with sweet potato cheesecake. Homemade, y'all. Homemade. So pretty. Now I gotta get a picture. I gotta get a picture.